Hi, today I'm making candy cane reindeer. So this is a very simple little cute candy ornament that I make for my grandbabies. It's just candy canes, candied eyeballs, pipe cleaners, as well as tape. And I cut the pipe cleaners into very small pieces to serve as the nose. I use double-sided tape to tape the candy canes together. I then am going to wrap the two candy canes with about a half an inch cut ribbon. And you see the kind of ribbon it is here. I wrap that around a couple of times and make sure it's pulled tight. I'm going to use the double-sided tape to tape the ribbon together. And on the ribbon, I'm going to place the two eyeballs. I use just a tiny bit of tape to do that. And they serve as the eyeballs. I take the tiny pieces of cut pipe cleaner and add the pipe cleaner to the ribbon as the face. Next, what I'm doing is I'm using my finger to curl the pipe cleaner around each finger and make the antler. And then I'm tying that antler to the top of the candy cane. And so next, everything is all together. You have your little eyes, your little nose, the antlers, and that's your candy cane reindeer ornament.